So here's the Oasis Spa. That is Vinay. Say hello to my daughter, it's her birthday.
Happy birthday.
This is Sexy Eyes.
Tell her happy birthday for them.
And this is my sis.
Hey, happy birthday, and I will wish you all the best.
Yeah, sis
Yeah?
Julieta.
And you know what? Your mother is the best one.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
And my daughter is the best one as well.
And as well, you are the perfect daughter for your mother.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Now, sis, you take the camera and then I go and speak
Yeah.
something to my.
Oh, Vinay.
Luana, oh, minha filha, mamãe tá morrendo de saudade. Parabéns, tudo de bom. Eu sei que vai ser um aniversário muito especial para você, especially.
Sim.
Porque a gente vai ter essa filmagem aí do lugar onde eu tô trabalhando também, daí você pode conhecer um pouco. A vista de fundo é de Lisboa, Portugal. So you're here in Portugal, and so you can hear the horn from the ship. Yeah, and here's the retreat, aqui piscina do spa, onde as pessoas vêm aqui tomar um banho de piscina em jacuzzi. We have here the cabanas. We do a little massage there as well. Bom, tô falando inglês porque Luana fala inglês e suas amigas também podem entender, então eu falo português também. Here. Now let's go see the spa a little bit inside. Luana, traduz pra eles quando eu falo inglês, tá, filha?
In this way?
Yes.
In this way.
This is my uniform.
And my uniform.
Yeah, our uniform.
And my face, of course.
Passengers enjoy the retreat. I just make a little movie because my daughter's birthday and we're gonna say hello to her.
Hello.
From Brazil.
Sun for once in 5 days.
Ah, sun,
Yes,
yeah.
very nice. Enjoy.
How old's your daughter?
Huh? She's becoming 11.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, thank you. See, daughter? Let's go downstairs.
See, so you remember. Very nice pool.
He's the Oasis pool.
And with jacuzzi too, of course. We have some fun. Yeah. I think that don't work.
Okay, it's not moving?
See?
Yes? Can you see it's moving? Okay.
Of course.
Okay, here's the relaxation room. I hope you can see. Esse é o lugar onde que as pessoas vêm para massagem. Eles sentam aqui, a gente collecta, vai pro quarto. We go to the rooms. And here's our
From the
treatment
deck
rooms.
12 until
treatment
the last
rooms.
one. That is
Yes.
your mother room.
My room is the first one. I don't want to show it because it's messy.
No.
I show you later.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the another room. Which room? Couples?
Yeah, of course, couples. Where we have a lot of fun because.
Yes. Here's the couples room.
Oh,
Or do
beautiful.
massaging too.
Oasis spa.
And we have here the balcony with the view to the sea.
Very nice, huh? Of course.
Yes. We go to the reception quickly and the hair salon.
No spa, no gym.
Oh yeah, Jim.
Yeah.
Why not?
Woman in white. Ooh.
Yara, this is for Indian massage.
When you have problem with your head, use this.
Oh, do you have your card? Maybe go to the German suite.
Maybe. We'll think about.
I hope you enjoy your birthday. Oh, you have a dance class here. That's nice.
Ooh.
Oh, it's the academia do spa.
And
I'm
Elliot.
the personal trainer there.
Elliot.
Very big academia.
I want that training. With Elliot, that one TRX.
Pilates.
Woo, woo.
So you also
Some
have
ball.
fun here in the spa.
Talia is in the salon.
Oh yeah, we're gonna move her.
Huh?
We're gonna move her.
You. Maybe she is. Maybe.
Oh, no, it doesn't matter.
Oh, you speak with her?
Huh?
Okay.
This is Emir, he did my hair.
What did you do?
Just saying hello for my daughter, it's her
Oh,
birthday.
hello. Yeah, really, really good mom. Just let you know.
Oh.
But she will finish in the 17th June. Hello. For the birthday.
Can you just say hello to my daughter, it's her birthday, make a movie for her. This is my manager, Luana.
Happy birthday, Luana.
This is my Romanian one.
She's also doing her hair. Okay. Now just show the reception and Anna Bananas. Our reception.
Oh, Anna, don't hide.
How do I say it in Portuguese?
Parabéns, Luana.
Para,
Parabéns.
parabéns, Luana. Feliz
Lua.
cumpleaños.
She's from Argentina.
Argentina.
Yeah, so this is our spa and I show my treatment room later, yeah?
And outside.
You need to
Ti amo, filha.
call her.
Ti amo, sis.
Yeah, he's the entrance of
Good.
the spa.
If you need sometimes a girl facial mask, come to see us.
She doesn't need a cold face, she's
Of
young.
course. She's beautiful like her
And
mom. Oh.
bamboo massage.
If you need some bamboo, if you upset someone, take some bamboo to resolve it.
Of acupuncture. We just quickly go room this way. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
For exercise? Yeah.
Volleyball expert.
Nowhere. I do exercise here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, in the 19. I running a little and after I was in gym.
Okay.
Yeah. But here volleyball I can do. I have a suspension and finishing summer my suspension for volleyball.
Suspension?
Yeah,
Why?
because I participate.
I go take her over because she's busy with a guest. Então, aqui é a entrada da piscina do navio. A gente tem o bar aqui da Breaks Bar. Hoje está vazio, não tem ninguém porque a gente está no Porto de Lisboa. E tem algumas pessoas ainda que ficam por aqui tomando um solzinho. Então, aqui é a piscina. Então, filha, essa aqui é a minha casa, né? Que eu tenho de vez em quando, só mostrando um pedacinho do navio. A gente está no Porto de Lisboa. E... you go, that's the friends there. Hello! Say hello to Brazil and to my daughter. Então, filha, não sei se tá me vendo aqui, mas Mamãe te ama muito. Enjoy o seu aniversário, aproveita bastante. E mamãe vai estar breve com você de novo, viu? Te amo.